Hello and welcome to another video by Destinations by DelCastillo. Today we are in Hermann, Missouri. It's a small historical German town right on I-70 between Columbia and St. Louis and about 15 miles off of I-70. So we are at a bed and breakfast, which is where you stay when you come to town. I don't believe there are any chain hotels here, and we are up on a hill overlooking town, and we'll take you on a tour of our room soon. But we are at a place called Up and Away, and down in that valley is Hermann, Missouri and the Missouri River. So this is a view from our room. We have what they call the deck suite, and here at Up and Away, there is a fire pit at your disposal. There is a swimming pool and hot tub. There are different suites, which you can check the different ones out online, but this is the main building, and on that floor, on the second floor of the main building, there's a pool table, a piano, a place where you can play games, different fun communal activities, and then breakfast is included. And you have a choice of going to breakfast or having them bring it to your room. So we are parked right down there, and we are above the garage, actually. So if you want, I believe there's another suite below us, but if you want the deck suite, do not have any mobility issues and do not have large luggage, because we had to come up this spiral staircase. And we have this entire second floor private deck with like a little seating area and a little dining area. So here's a tour of our room. Okay. So at Up and Away, whatever room you get, they give you pool supplies, including plastic cups, water pitcher, towels, even sunscreen. They kind of thought of everything here. I'm pretty impressed. We walk in, living room area and TV over here in the corner. Okay, then over here is one bathroom. This suite actually has two bathrooms. So here's this first one. They give you face masks, or like sleeping masks, towels, shampoo, cream rinse, basically like all the toiletries and amenities you would need. Up here are local menus to different restaurants. They also give you complimentary popcorn, things to make s'mores, coffee, soda, and water. It is a fully stocked kitchen with dishes and everything you would need to cook a meal with. They even give you a little cooler to take your own stuff down to the pool. And the refrigerator is a full-size refrigerator with complimentary water and soda. The main house also has a little mini market that you can buy things that you may have forgotten. Okay, that's our closet. Little walk-in closet, basic stuff in there. King-size bed. second bathroom. We were actually surprised. I thought I had read all the details about this room, and I was surprised to see that there was a second bathroom. And then over here, there's like another little bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. And even a little TV. So we are in, again, we're in Hermann, Missouri, which is known for wineries and good German restaurants and breweries. So I guess you could come back with some local wine and sit in the tub. Okay, there you have it. So we researched a bunch of different bed and breakfasts. This seemed to be the most for your money and the nicest one for your money. But there are lots of really good ones, especially if you want to stay down in town. There's more choices down there, but here you go. So this is the deck suite at Up and Away in Hermann, Missouri. We'd love for you to leave questions or comments and like and subscribe. And thank you for watching another video by Destinations by DelCastillo.